In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Wix dynamic pages. To get started, open your Wix editor and go to the top menu. From there, enable Dev Mode. This gives you access to the tools you need to work with dynamic content and your site database more efficiently. Once that is turned on, move to the left sidebar and open the CMS tab. In the CMS area, click Create Collection. A collection is where your content will be stored, and it works like a structured database for your dynamic pages. Now begin adding your data fields to the collection. These fields can include text, images, links, and files depending on the type of content you want to display on your site. It is important to choose the correct field type for each piece of content so that everything connects properly later. If your content is already organized in a spreadsheet, you can also upload a CSV file to save time and bring your data into the collection more quickly. After your collection is ready, go back to the CMS panel and hover over the collection you just created. Look for the Site Action option at the top and click it. From there, select Add Dynamic Page. Wix will then let you choose the type of dynamic page you want to create. You can select a list page if you want to show multiple items from your collection in one place, such as a directory or gallery. Or you can choose an item page if you want each record in the collection to have its own individual page. Once the dynamic page is created, start building the layout by dragging and dropping the elements you want onto the page. This can include text boxes, images, buttons, and other design elements. After placing an element, click on it and select the Connect to CMS icon. This is where you link that element to the correct field in your collection. For example, a text element can be connected to a title or description field, while an image element can be connected to an image field. Take your time mapping each element carefully. This is what allows the page to update automatically based on the content in your collection. When everything is connected, click Preview to make sure the page displays the correct information and looks the way you want. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish. That covers everything you need to know.